Warm welcome to each and every one of you present here today. Individuals strive for personal and professional excellence, not for awards, but because that is the way they are built. But it does feel special when they are recognized and acknowledged. This evening, you will see some stalwarts from across diverse fields being recognized and acknowledged for their body of work, titans one and all. But before we start the award ceremony, we will begin the evening with the auspicious lighting of the lamp. May I request the esteemed presence of Shri Ram Jethmalani, Dr. Ram Jawaharani, Shri Chandru Raheja, Shri K.K. Ramani for the lighting of the lamp. A very warm welcome to Prahlad Ji, Chairman of CBFC Board. Please, can I request you also to come for the lighting of the lamp? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome them with a round of applause. May I request Shri Chandar Magdani to please offer flowers to the others on the dais. Shri Pailaj Nahlani, Shri Chandru Raheja, and Shri K.K. Ramani. It's my honor to please call Dr. Ram Jawaharani to welcome all of you and tell you what this evening is going to be about. Let's welcome him with a round of applause.
दोस्तों ग्लोबल सिंधी काउंसिल जे तरफां तव्हां सभिनी जो तहे दिल सां हिते स्वागत कयूं था। ग्लोबल सिंधी काउंसिल जो ही टियों अवार्ड फंक्शन आहे। पहिरियों बि हिते 2015 में मिस्टर चंद्रू साहब जे होटल में थियो हो, तंहिंखां पोइ हिकु ऑडिटोरियम में कयोसीं, ही थर्ड आहे। ऐं ग्लोबल सिंधी काउंसिल जो मुख्य मक़सदु जेको मुख्य उद्देश्य रहियो आहे त सॼी दुनिया जे सिंधियुनि खे असां कंहिं बि नमूने पाण में जोड़ियूं, जंहिंमें सूत्रधार आहे असांजो 94 इयर्स, मां हुनखे 49 इयर्स चवंदो आहियां, दादा राम जेठमलानी, जंहिंजे गाइडेंस सां 2005 में इहा ग्लोबल सिंधी काउंसिल असां बर्पा कईसीं। ऐं सिंधी समाज जे लाइ कुझु असांखे जेको कुझु करिणो आहे उन में अॻियां वधियासीं। मिस्टर आशीष शराफ हिते वेठा आहिनि, उन्हनि असांखे लास्ट टाइम हिमथायो त ग्लोबल सिंधी काउंसिल में जेके सिंध खां हींअर रिसेंटली सिंधी माइग्रेट थी आया आहिनि, उन्हनि खे रहण जी जॻहियूं कोन्हनि, उहे जमुना नदीअ जे किनारे ते रहिया पिया आहिनि। उते बि मां दादा खे वठी वियुसि ऐं दादा पंहिंजे हथनि सां उन्हनि खे सिलाई जूं मशीनियूं, बिस्तरा वग़ैरह सभु ॾिना। ऐं उतां जे दिल्लीअ जे चीफ मिनिस्टर खे असां रिक्वेस्ट कईसीं त हिननि खे पाणीअ जी कनेक्शन जो, लाइट जो एंड लैट्रिन्स वग़ैरह ठाराए जो या हाकर्स लेसन जो, जंहिंमें दादा सक्सेस पियो। चीफ मिनिस्टर असांजो हुते दिल्लीअ में दादा जे घर आयो हो। अॼु जा जेके अवॉर्ड विनर आहिनि असांजा मिस्टर चंद्रू रहेजा जी, मिस्टर अनिल हरेश, डॉक्टर देव पहलाजानी, असांजी दादी गांधीधाम खां आई आहे, गांधीधाम कॉलेजिएट बोर्ड जी चेयरपर्सन आहे, ओरिजिनली प्रभदास तोलानी साहब जी धीउ आहिनि। ऐं ॿियो असांजो जेको अवॉर्ड विनर आहे अहमदाबाद खां आयल आहे मिस्टर नरेंद्र सोमानी। 5 अवॉर्ड्स आहिनि ऐं उनखां पोइ असीं सन्मान कंदासीं मिस्टर वाशु शराब जो, जंहिंखे भारत सरकार हींअर वेझड़ाई में प्रवासी भारती जो तमामु वॾो अवॉर्ड ॾिनो आहे। उहो वॾो अवॉर्ड जेको आहे, उहो महत्वपूर्ण अवॉर्ड जेको आहे, उन समारोह में प्राइम मिनिस्टर अची करे उनजो उद्घाटन कंदो आहे ऐं अवॉर्ड जेको आहे प्रेसिडेंट जे हथां ॾिनो वेंदो आहे। ॿियो असांजो हिकिड़ो दोस्त आहे मिस्टर मुकेश शर्मा। जेकॾहिं असांजे शास्त्रनि जे अनुसार पुनर्जन्म आहे त मूंखे ईअं लॻंदो आहे त हू शायदि पहिरीं बि सिंधी हो, ईंदड़ जनम में बि सिंधी थींदो, छाकाणि त उहो हिकिड़ो शख़्स आहे जंहिं असांजी ॿोली, असांजे साहित्य, असांजे कल्चर खे वधाइण लाइ दूरदर्शन जो भरपूर असांखे साथ ॾिनो। असीं अॼु हुनजो बि हिते सन्मान कंदासीं। उहो हुतां रिटायर थी चुका आहिनि ऐं नई उन्हनि रमेश सिप्पी एंटरटेनमेंट एंड फिल्म्स जी हिकु अकेडमी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मुंबई सां गॾु जोड़ी आहे। उते हू डीन आहिनि, उनजा चीफ आहिनि, उन्हनि खे बि सन्मान कंदासीं। बस इन्हनि शब्दनि सां असीं अवॉर्ड फंक्शन शुरू कयूं था पिया। प्लीज़।
Thank you so much, Ramji. As we start with the first award of the day, I'd like to quote Alexander Staunch. He said, "Hospitality is love in action. It is a flesh and muscle on bones of love." Our first awardee of the evening has earned a formidable reputation, not only in the hospitality and real estate sector, but also as a philanthropist. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Shri Chandru Raheja. Before he gave the award, I would request Shri K.K. Ramani to please come to the podium to say a few words for him.
People are born great, and some people achieve greatness. Those who achieve greatness are people with clear commitment, direction, determination, discipline, vision, and above all, a sense of purpose. When we in Sindhi community think of someone who possesses these qualities, one name that invariably comes to our mind is that of Mr. Chandru Raheja. You may call it luck, but I believe luck comes to those who do their work sincerely and enjoy family support. Without family support, nobody can reach this zenith. I know he is ably supported by Jyoti and 2 sons, Ravi and Neil. I can say that Chandru एक इंसान है जिसके काम करने के तरीके निराले हैं। चंद्रू एक ऐसा इंसान है जिसके काम करने के तरीके निराले हैं। बाहर से सख्त नारियल और भीतर से स्नेह के प्याले हैं। बाहर से सख्त नारियल, भीतर से स्नेह के प्याले हैं। ज्योति भी कुछ कम नहीं, ज्योति भी कुछ कम नहीं, सर्व गुण संपन्न नारी है। अच्छी पत्नी के साथ रवि और नील की मम्मी भी प्यारी है। दोनों पति पत्नी लगते सीधे साधे हैं, पर आगे बढ़ने के उनके ठोस इरादे हैं। फ्रेंड्स, चंद्रू रहेजा is the combination of first-rate mind with a first-rate heart and a first-rate spirit. I don't think I have any other friend who's more loved and respected than Chandru Raheja. Friends, I present to you Mr. Chandru Raheja.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as the Global Sindhi Council presents the Global Award for his historic contribution in real estate, hospitality, Indian sector, and philanthropic activities.
Very grateful to Global Sindhi Association for giving this award. I think a lot of function has to go on, and we are already late. So I thank all of you.
The human heart is credited and blamed for almost everything in our lives. Dil hai ki manta nahi. is repeated so often that they even went and made a movie on this title. But listen to these lines. This is an anonymous quote. I have no idea who said it, but I can safely bet that it was coined by a cardiologist. Dear heart, stop getting involved in everything. Your job is to pump blood. That's it. And who better to corroborate this than the foremost cardiologist in our country, Dr. Dev Pehlajani, our next awardee. Before we present the award, I call on Dr. Kriplani to give the brief introduction.
Say a few words about my dear friend and elder colleague, Dr. Dev Kishan Perumal Pehlajani. He was born in Sindh in 1938, and after struggling through the travails of the partition of India, qualified as a consultant physician with the MD degree and became an assistant professor of medicine at the Topiwala National Medical College, Mumbai. He then went abroad to the US and trained at the world-renowned Cook County Hospital, Chicago, and returned to Mumbai, having acquired the skills of cardiac catheterization, coronary angiography, and cardiac electrophysiology. He is therefore a pioneer of India in interventional cardiology, and particularly of the city of Mumbai. Besides his flourishing practice today at the Nanavati and the Breach Candy Hospital, he also has trained others in the skills that he acquired by joining the Lokmanya Tilak Medical College, Mumbai, and the General Hospital as honorary associate professor, so that he may produce clones of himself to serve the nation at a time when only those who could afford it were running to the US and getting coronary heart disease treatment, and those who could not were simply dying for want of care. Appropriate awardee to be honored today. In this life endeavor of his, he has been supported by a wonderful wife, Dr. Meena, who is a qualified pediatrician but has given up her practice to stand behind him and support him throughout his all endeavors. And therefore, he is what he is today not only because of himself, but because of his dear wife. Additionally, he has given his genes to two lovely children, Rekha and Chetan. Rekha is a nephrologist in the US and working on research of new cancer drugs. And Chetan is a professor of mathematics at an IIT. So you have before you today the person being awarded a unique example who has been there, done it all, and achieved everything, and is now being recognized for his lifetime achievements. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, it is a proud privilege for me to have told you about him. We wish him, his family, more success.
Gentlemen, please give him a huge, huge round of applause. Can I request Shri Ram Jethmalani to please do the honors? The Global Sindhi Council is proud to present the Global Award for his historic contribution in the field of medicine to the one and only eminent cardiologist, Dr. Dev Pehlajani.
Global Sindhis for giving me such an award, and I don't know whether I really deserved it or not, but the way Dr. Kriplani introduced me, I'm really flattered. And I don't know whether what he said is in such a flowery language, whether I really deserve or not. But nonetheless, I accept this award in great humility, and I thank all of you. And I think I will certainly try to do something better than what I've been doing so far. Thank you very much.
The community will be blessed, sir. The hardest thing in the world is to understand income tax. So imagine when we move to the more complicated and complex world of corporate law, mergers and acquisitions, collaborations and joint ventures, we would expect the human mind to balk at the enormity of it all. But that is not the case for this learned advocate who specializes in all the above. I'm talking about none other than eminent advocate. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Shri Anil Harish.
DM Harish and Company, which today is headed by Anil. And I had the proud privilege of being his junior and starting in his chambers in the 70s. Friends, Anil is one of those personalities, a very simple man at heart, but dashing in his approach. After doing his law from Mumbai University, he went to Miami for his master's, came back and joined his father, DM Harish and Company. He specializes in property law, taxation, foreign exchange, foreign ventures, collaborations, etc. The companies, he is involved with charitable organizations and he spends quite a bit of time in that. He is ably assisted by his son, who has also joined him in his footsteps, and along with his wife Hani, who is very much here. Friends, with these few words, I present to you Anil Harish.
Is proud to present the Global Award for his historic contribution in the field of taxation to eminent advocate Shri Anil Harish. Of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. And that is what is highlighted in all the educational institutions run under their president. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Srimati Anjana Hazari. I would like to call on Shri Harsh Punjabi to read the citation.
Mrs. Anjana Hazari is currently holding the presidential chair at the Gandhidham Collegiate Board at Adipur, the Tolani Foundation, and the Tolani Eye Hospital and Research Center also at Adipur. She is also serving as Vice President of Sri Ramakrishna Seva Kendra at Adipur. She is the youngest daughter of revered Kaka Pribdas Tolani, the founder of Higher Education Complex, Tolani Vidya Mandir at Adipur in Gandhidham. Sense, who is dedicated to growth and vitality, passionate about her cause, and works tirelessly for the greater good while inspiring others and young individuals like me to be involved in works of our community and philanthropy. Mrs. Anjana Hazari.
Other than Srimati Anjana Hazari.
Did his degree from Wilson College, Bombay. We had not even heard of Wilson College. My sisters did all from Punjab. Living in Larkana and studying in Punjab, we could not understand. And today I feel really proud to be here. Because of my father, I am here.
Thank you, thank you. None other than our beloved Shatrughan Sinha Sahab, a Sindhi by default. May I please request a bouquet of flowers? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for her. Sir. Was incomplete without you, Shatrughan sir. A very warm welcome. We move on to our next award. Business, especially the hospitality business, is like a game of snakes and ladders. More often than not, one slides down the slippery slope of any one of the million expectations of demanding customers. And that's why these words by Michael LaBeouf, though succinct, are the foundation stone for all businesses. He says, a satisfied customer is the best business strategy of all. And I think that this is the philosophy adopted by our next awardee, eminent businessman. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Narendra Somani.
To read a few words about the gentleman, Mr. Narendra Somani. Dynamic and mercurial entrepreneur, he's created an admired empire in the field of food and hospitality. Due to his sheer passion, vision, revolutionary business acumen, novel innovations, commitment, and hard work, the 5-star deluxe hotel, the Grand Bhagwati, has created a tremendous mark for itself in the hospitality arena. His journey began from Bhagwati Chaat. He further dared to dream big. When nobody thought, he pioneered the concept of creating professional approach towards catering and food business. After these revolutionary and innovative steps, he soon realized that the city of Ahmedabad in Gujarat lacked in good hospitality. And the entrepreneur's soul in him and his instincts dreamt of opening up a star category hotel with sheer guts and enterprising skills in the year 2002. And the Grand Bhagwati Hotel was opened. Say yes, behind every successful man is a lady. We also have his lovely lady. Yes, his lovely lady is Miss Sunita, who also engages and helps him in doing a lot of work for the social causes. Together, they make this world a better place to live in. They also are the sole promoters of vegetarianism. What Sir has to say, this is what Mr. Narendra Somani believes. He says, always dream, because it's only these dreams that give you the strength of inventing something unique. Ladies and gentlemen, the man with the vision, Mr. Narendra Somani. Global Sindhi Council presents you with the Global Award.
Malani ji to kindly do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, the Global Sindhi Council is proud to present the Global Award for his historic contribution in the field of business, Shri Narendra Somani. Thinking of the citizens and not the consumers is his mandate. And this media professional has been there in this industry for more than 37 years. We are talking about none other than the erstwhile Additional Director General of Doordarshan, Mr. Mukesh Sharma. I'd like to call on Shri Bharat Dabholkar to read the citation.
Prize that he has started called Ramesh Sippy Academy of Cinema and Entertainment, and he's joined them as a dean. So he just continues doing it, and with your Midas touch, I'm sure even that's going to work very well. I give you Mr. Mukesh Sharma. I'm sorry I couldn't read all this in detail. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Mukesh Sharma. One of the awards that he constituted was one which specially touched my heart, and I'm sure that Shri Chandru Raheja ji will also identify with that. That was a special award on organ donation. That was the first time a program like that was created on Doordarshan to recognize, to help people understand that one person's cadaver can give life to at least 6 different people. So that was a very beautiful award that he had constituted.
ऐसे आकाश में सुराख नहीं हो सकता एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो तो तबीयत कभी मरती नहीं है वो तबीयत करने की लगी रहती है दुष्यंत कुमार जी तो मुझे खुशी है कि सबके बाद मैं रमेश जी के साथ जुड़ गया और बड़े मौके से जुड़ गया बिकॉज वो स्लॉट खाली था और रमेश जी ने मुझे कहा कि अगले दिन से यू आर देयर विद अस आई सेड सर आई विल बी देयर और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि इतना सब सीखा 50 तो फिल्में बनाई और करीब 40 साल तक ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में सोशल ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में कमर्शियल ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में यानी इतना बड़ा लैंडस्केप हो गया मुझे लगा विद्या मेरे साथ न चली जाए तो ये सोच करके कि विद्या बच्चों के साथ स्टूडेंट के साथ अगर मैं बांट सकता हूँ तो बहुत अच्छी बात है और मेरे ख्याल 24 घंटे 24/7 भी कम रहेगा ऐसे काम के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच सर थैंक यू सो मच
is of special interest to him, and the NRI community in the UAE have enormously benefited from his remarkable socio-religious endeavors. His biodata sees no designations lesser than president and chairman. He was awarded right here by the Global Sindhi Council for Business. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as this gentleman was awarded one of the most prestigious recognitions by the Government of India. The Pravasi Bharatiya Samman was conferred on him this year, 2017, at the hands of the Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. May I please request Shri Ram Jethmalani to felicitate Shri Vasu Shroff. Shri Vasu Shroff has a huge fan following in the audience, and I can hear a few of them saying, I think he deserves a standing ovation, ladies and gentlemen.
भी मदद चाहिए उनकी, हमेशा इज़ रेडी। आई थिंक ऐसे सिंधी जो है हमेशा, जैसे चंदू जी जो है हमेशा जिस हिसाब से जाने जाते हैं, और सारे सिंधियों ने कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत की है जो नज़र में नहीं आता, पर ये भी नज़र में नहीं आता, बट ये सिंधी काउंसिल जो है हमारी ग्लोबल बनी हुई है, और इसी मंच पे आज सारे अवार्डी जो है कम से कम सिंधियों को अवार्ड पाते हुए देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और उनके बारे में जानना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मैं सबका स्वागत करता हूं और सबको विश करता हूं कि हमेशा ऐसे अच्छे हम लोग काम करते रहे सिंधी, ताकि अपने सिंधी मंच में नहीं लेकिन गवर्नमेंट से और दूसरे जगह से भी ऐसे अवार्ड हमको मिलते रहे। धन्यवाद।
जब बात निकली कि सिंधी सब खुले हाथ के है, यहाँ पे हमारे मिस्टर रमेश और सुमन जी तुलसानी बैठे हुए हैं, इनका भी रोज़ कम से कम एक चेकबुक ख़त्म होता है। जो भी उनके पास कोई आता है उन्हें वो मदद करते हैं। कई गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स में रोज़ का 50-55 हज़ार रुपये का खाना रोज़ बनता है, वो हॉस्पिटल में वो पहुँचाते हैं। इन्होंने काफ़ी कॉलेजेस में अपनी मदद दी है। इनका खुद का भी 100 करोड़ के लागत से कॉलेज बना है लोनावला के करीब। जो भी दीन दुखियों और गरीब जो फी नहीं भर सकते उनके लिए काम आ रहा है, तो इनके लिए भी हम तालियां बजाना चाहते हैं।
Is the hardcore truth that I have come here this time, especially for Dada and Honorable Ram Jethmalani ji, and the genius Ram Jethmalani ji, the wonder man, the wonderful personality Ram Jethmalani, and I'm very fond of him, and being Shatrughan, and it's quite natural कि मैं राम का नहीं फॉलो करूँगा तो किसको फॉलो करूँगा, तो मैं तो इसके लिए आया। एक और बहुत ही ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी है और बहुत कुछ किया है, जैसे प्रहलाद नीलानी हमारे दोस्त ने बहुत तारीफ़ की, बासु शर्राफ की, उन्हें मैं भी बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ, लेकिन चूँकि प्रहलाद जी से बहुत छोटा हूँ मैं, इसलिए नहीं कह सकता मैं 50 साल से जानता हूँ, लेकिन जानता हूँ। और मैं बोलूँगा तो खामोखा मेरे एज का थोड़ा सा वो, हाँ थोड़ा, हालांकि वैसे तो किसी लड़की ने मुझसे हाल में पूछा था कि मिस्टर सिन्हा व्हाट्स योर एज, हमने कहा था बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल है एंड एडजस्टेबल है, यू टेल मी योर्स एंड आई शैल एडजस्ट अकॉर्डिंगली, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। लेकिन हाँ, बट आई नो मिस्टर शर्राफ सिंस एजेस, हालांकि इंडिविजुअली स्पीकिंग शायद मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं किया हो या करने का मौका नहीं मिला और नहीं कर सके हो, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट जो सोसाइटी के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट किया है दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग। यही नहीं, पूरे अपने देश में प्रवास के दौरान अपने जहाँ रहते हैं वहाँ पे, जन्मभूमि पे, कर्मभूमि पे जैसा किया है। वासु शर्राफ इज ट्रू सेंस इज अ रोल मॉडल। अब ऐसा मॉडल बनना बंद हो गया है, बहुत ही कम ऐसे लोग होंगे। मैं तो जब प्रहलाद जी इनकी इतनी तारीफ कर रहा था, प्रहलाद जी बहुत जेन्युइनली बहुत मानते हैं, राम जेठमलानी को भी और वासु शर्राफ को भी बहुत ही मानते हैं, और मुझको तो खैर मानते थे, अब जब से सेंसर बोर्ड के चीफ बने तब से थोड़ा कम हो गया है, लेकिन पहले मानते थे। लेकिन हमारे भाई हैं, परिवार के हैं, इज़ अ फैमिली फ्रेंड। और पहले जब बता रहे थे कि आपने ये किया है और मंदिर के मामले में, और जो आपकी तारीफ कर रहे थे और जेन्युइनली कर रहे थे, उससे मुझे ख्याल आया कि मंदिर के मामले में आज इनको खबर दे दूँ कि उत्तर प्रदेश में योगी जी मुख्यमंत्री हो गए हैं, कुछ मंदिर का निर्माण वहाँ भी करें आप तो बेहतर रहेगा। यहाँ तो कर ही रहे, थोड़ा वहाँ भी जाओ, अच्छा आपके मनपसंद योगी जी आए हैं वहाँ पे। लेकिन ये बहुत कम लोग ऐसा करते हैं, जैसे सब अपने अपने फील्ड में, और मैं सिंधियों को इतना मानता हूँ और इतना जानता हूँ, और अब तो ज़्यादा ही जानता हूँ। जब मैं once upon a time when I was in love, I met a Sindhi woman, Sindhi girl, I was in love, now we are married. So love is the first casualty. वो तो होती है, love is always the first casualty. अब ये तो people, हमारे पेयर को लोग कहते हैं कि सो ये happily married couple है, तो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ man can be either happy or married, he can't be both. So in our case, I'm definitely married and my wife, I hope, wish and pray कि she is happy. लेकिन वो जब शादी हुई तो मैं 50% सिंधी हुआ। बाद में इतने सारे सिंधी फ्रेंड्स मिले, रमेश सिप्पी मिले, मैं प्रहलाद नीलानी तो शुरू से ही हैं, ये दहेज में ही आए थे मेरे, और जब इनके इतना उस समय से झेलता झेलता इन लोगों को अल्टीमेटली मैं 90% सिंधी हो गया। और ये बात दूसरी कि यूपी के चुनाव के रिजल्ट के बाद अब लगता है फिर से मुझे बैक ट्रैक कर दिया गया है और थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा कि मैं कितना रह जाता हूँ, लेकिन मेरे दिल में बहुत कदर है। आपकी सक्सेस स्टोरी बेमिसाल है। आपका सोशल, नोबल और आपका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द सोसाइटी है वो बेमिसाल है। सिंधी नहीं होता तो हिंदी नहीं होती, अगर सिंधु नहीं होता तो हिंदू नहीं होता। तो ये तो आपकी देन है और हम बहुत कदर करते हैं। इसलिए आज बहुत ही साधारण से निमंत्रण पे हमारे दोस्तों ने दिया, उनको लगा मैं बाहर हूं तो क्या बुलाना, लेकिन अति साधारण काम हो रहा था। एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डनरी पर्सनैलिटी एंड एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डनरी काम वहाँ पे आज देखा हमने। तो मैं सब छोड़ के भाग के सिर्फ यहाँ प्रणाम करने, कंट्रीब्यूशन इनका देखने, इनके सराहने, इनकी प्रशंसा करने, वासु शराब को बधाई देने, राम जेठमलानी को प्रणाम करने, इनके तमाम लोगों को जो आप लोग आए हुए हैं, जो वेल विशर्स हैं, सपोर्टर्स हैं, उन सबको प्रणाम करने चुपचाप आज मैं सुनने आया था। मैं समझता हूँ मेरे दिल की बात सहमत होंगे। ग्लोबल सिंधी काउंसिल जिंदाबाद, आप तमाम लोग जिंदाबाद, वासु शराफ एंड राम जेठमलानी जिंदाबाद। जय महाराष्ट्र, जय हिंद।
You don't mind I sit down and talk to you. First of all, I am an honest lawyer, and therefore I speak the truth. The truth of it is that without a couple of drinks in the evening, I can't speak. I am making a special concession for this function that I am on a Saturday. Saturday is my fast day, and I have not had a morsel of food till now. And I have been hoping that this function will get over quickly so that I go back to my usual routine, because even on Saturdays, I do not give up the liquid diet that I take. Now, I am very proud of the profession to which I belong. Of course, I am also a politician. I am not very proud of the politicians' business today, and all politicians in this country should know that at least I am not an admirer of them. There are very few of them whom I admire, and when I admire anybody, believe you me that I do it with such great feeling and reverence that even they feel a little embarrassed. I have one grievance to make. कहते हैं कि सितम के दौर में वो अहले दिल ही काम आए, ज़बां पे नाज था जिनको वो बेज़बां निकले. This is the tragedy of our intellectuals. This is the tragedy of all people, that they have lost the capacity and the courage to speak the truth. They are silent even though they know what is happening. And I don't wish to take more time because I'm myself feeling a little hungry and a little out of my right spirits at this time. But, my friends, the legal profession is a noble profession, and I'm very happy to have met so many lawyers who came and introduced themselves to me and said that we are young lawyers and we have heard about you and so on and so forth. Please be like the first lawyer of history. The first lawyer of history is in a biblical story of Susanna and Daniel. It is a story of ancient Babylon. That country was ruled by 4 elders. They were all 4 dictators ruling that country. And they were evil people, as men in power usually are. And there was a beautiful woman called Susanna living there in that country. And each of these 4 old men cast a lecherous glance at her and a lecherous eye at her, and they wanted to fornicate with her. But the virtue of the woman was stronger than the desires of these politicians. And my friends, she resisted, and these rascals, corrupt politicians again, they sentenced her to death, and the death sentence was to be carried out on the next day, and a crowd had collected to see how this woman is being sent to death. And from that crowd arose the first lawyer of history, a man called Daniel. He got up and said that I say to you all instinctively that this woman is innocent. She looks innocent. And you will not do anything to her until I have had my say. We say, but what do you want to say? I say, I will say something to each of these 4 old men and ask questions from them. He became a cross-examiner that morning. And the crowd, impressed by his bravado alone, permitted him to ask questions. And he said, I will ask questions from each one of them in the absence of the other 3. So he asked the poor fellow, he was not a great cross-examiner, but he asked simple questions that, please tell us, where did you see this adultery being committed? Somebody said it was in the palace, somebody said it was in the royal garden, somebody said it was on the sea beach. They gave such conflicting versions that the crowd which had assembled to see the execution of this woman were now fighting and crying for the blood of these 4 rascals. And that kind of a thing should happen today if you people pick up the courage that those who are making a mockery of our politics today by reason of their own corrupt motives, and if you conquer them, if you ridicule them, that is a great contribution that you can make. And please, please, for God's sake, pick up the courage to speak the truth. Unless there is a truthful population in this country, Indian democracy will never be safe. And today, at least I expect this crowd here, I am inspired by your presence. And I hope what I have told you inspires you too, that please take care of these corrupt politicians and see that they don't either capture power again or escape the punishment when today even they are in power. Some people are in power even now who deserve to be in jail. And my last ambition in life is, I have still 6 years to go in the Rajya Sabha. I'm running my 94, so I don't think that I'll be able to enjoy all the 6 years, but I will enjoy it by within much less than 6 years, I'll send some rascals to jail. And I require your blessing. And I'm very happy having met you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of Sindhi religion. I'm proud of Sindhi, what you call the correct religion of the Sindhis. Sindh was the land of the Sufis. Sindh was the land of the Sufis. Muslims and Hindus lived like absolutely loving brothers and sisters. And during the emergency, only because people came from outside, not one Sindhi Hindu was ever hurt by a Sindhi Muslim. And even when I had to leave Karachi, the commissioner of police in Karachi escorted me to the plane which brought me to Bombay and brought me to this wonderful function of yours. And thank you again.
Thank you so much. It is always a pleasure and an honor to hear Dada speak. We have some eminent personalities in the audience as well. I'd request Shri Sanjay Sippi and Shri Suresh Sharwani to please welcome them with a bouquet of flowers. We are very thankful that your esteemed presence is there with us today in this evening, acknowledging and applauding all the awardees here today. We'd first like to acknowledge the presence of none other than the genteel Srimati Jyoti Raheja. Can we also please put our hands together for none other than one of the most beloved actors of all time, Tabassum Ji. Can we also have a floral bouquet for Rohan Kapoor? He's not there. We'd like to also acknowledge the presence of Bharat Dabholkar Ji. Dr. Ramen Goyal, who's the founder of the Center for Metabolic Surgery, one of the most eminent surgeons. All right. We'd also like to acknowledge the presence, as they say, the women in the lives are not the better halves, the most important halves. So we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of Kiran Juneja Sippi. Thank you very much for making your presence over here felt today.
Mr. Ramesh Tulsiani ji, Bhavi Sumantul Sane, please.
We'd also like to welcome Mrs. Mrinali Deshmukh.
Mrs. Anil Harish, please.
A very warm welcome, ma'am. Can we please put our hands together for Mrs. Anil Harish?
Mrs. Dev Pailajani. Mr. S.D. Israni.
Madam Mrinalini Deshmukh, please. Can we put our hands together for ma'am? Before the dignitaries on the dais step down, may I please request all the awardees to come on stage for a group photograph. We'd also like to recognize the ex-Sheriff of Mumbai, Dr. Jagannath Hegde. May I please call Mr. Mohit Malani for the vote of thanks?
You all. But before we proceed with the vote of thanks, I would request Shri Ram Jethmalani to present a bouquet to Mrs. Shibani Sharma. I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Ram Jethmalani, Shri Pehlaj Nihalani, Shri K.K. Ramani, Dr. Ram Jawarani, Mr. Ranjit Bhutani, Mr. Chandar Mangnani, Shri Harish Malani, and also our awardees, Mr. Vashu Shroff, Mr. Chandru Raheja, Dr. Dev Pehlajani, Shri Anil Harish, Mrs. Anjana Hazari, Shri Narendra Somani ji. And we would also like to thank Shri Shatrughan Sinha ji and Shri Ramesh Tipi ji.